What's up and good day mga boss? Welcome back dito sa aming shop, Aiming Ace Airsoft. For today, meron tayong shipping. Date today nga pala is December 10, 2025. So, ENC 2102 kay Boss Sander of Mountain Province. Ayan. So, ito yung kasama niyang ito yung kasama niyang stock magazine. 30 rounds high kappa metal magazine. Tapos nag-avail din si Bossing ng 50 rounds na long magazine. So, try natin yan. Then, ito yung unit ni Bossing. ENC 2102 John Wick 3 Combat Master. Full metal. So, metal yung slide. Then, metal yung lower frame. Meron din siyang under rail for accessory attachment. Threaded yung outer barrel. Then, naka-fiber optic yung front sight. So, ganyan yung sight niya. Then, kabilang side, nandyan yung markings niya na Combat Master. 2011 Combat Master. Then, meron din siyang logo ng STI. Try natin yung unit. So, ito muna ang stock magazine. Slide lock kapag wala na siyang BB. Try naman natin tong long magazine. So mahina lang yung gas niya. So try natin yung magsa-slide lock siya. So, slide lock kapag wala na siyang BB. Same lang din, release magazine, then release tong slide. Rest the hammer by pressing the trigger. So, yun lang mga bossing. If may inquiries kayo, message lang kayo sa aming page, Aiming Ace by CJO. Thank you.